You've probably opened a bottle of Coca-Cola hundreds of times, but have you ever stopped to wonder what journey that drink took before it reached your hands? Where does the water come from? How is the sweetness controlled so precisely? And how does carbonation stay perfectly balanced in every single bottle? Today, we're stepping inside a high-tech Coca-Cola bottling plant, where everything is designed around one goal: producing the same refreshing drink millions of times with almost no variation. In this video, I'll take you step by step through how Coca-Cola is made on an industrial scale. Step 1. Water, the real foundation of Coca-Cola. The process begins with water, the main ingredient in every bottle. Instead of using it directly, factories purify incoming water through multiple stages, including filtration, activated carbon treatment, and sometimes reverse osmosis. After purification, the water is carefully rebalanced to a controlled mineral profile to ensure consistent taste worldwide. Step 2. Ingredients arrive and are carefully checked. While water is prepared, other ingredients arrive under strict controls. Sugar or high fructose corn syrup is delivered in sealed tankers and stored in dedicated tanks. Coca-Cola concentrate and approved food-grade ingredients are also received securely. Every material is carefully tested to meet exact specifications before it enters production. Step 3. Preparing the sweetener solution. Next, the sweetener is prepared. Sugar is dissolved in hot, treated water to create a smooth, uniform solution, then filtered to remove impurities. If corn syrup is used, it is pumped through dedicated filtered systems. Precise temperature control ensures consistent thickness, accurate mixing, and steady flow, creating a sweetener that performs identically every time. Step 4. The syrup room, where the magic mixing happens. Now we move into the syrup room, one of the most tightly controlled areas in the factory. This space is filled with stainless steel tanks, automated valves, and precision sensors. Here, the sweetener solution is combined with Coca-Cola concentrate to form the syrup used for final beverage production. Everything is measured using high-accuracy flow meters, and the mixture is circulated until it's perfectly uniform. The system is typically sealed and pressurized to protect the syrup from outside air. Throughout this stage, technicians collect samples for lab testing to verify sweetness, acidity, and overall profile. Step 5. Final blending, turning syrup into Coca-Cola. Once the syrup passes quality checks, it moves to the blending system. This is where the syrup is mixed with treated water at an exact ratio to create the finished beverage base. The process runs continuously, allowing the production line to operate without stopping. Sensors constantly monitor flow rates, temperature, and concentration, and if the ratio drifts even slightly, the system automatically corrects it. This level of automation is a significant reason Coca-Cola tastes so consistent worldwide. The beverage flows through sealed, sanitary piping to maintain cleanliness at every stage. Step 6. Chilling and carbonation, creating the signature fizz. Before carbonation is added, the beverage is chilled because cold liquid absorbs carbon dioxide more effectively. Carbon dioxide is stored on-site in large tanks and fed into a carbonator, where it's dissolved into the drink under controlled pressure. This step is critical because carbonation affects everything, from the sound you hear when opening a bottle to the bite and mouthfeel of the drink. Pressure and temperature are monitored constantly to ensure each bottle or can get the same crisp carbonation level. Step 7. Bottle making or can feeding. Packaging begins. While carbonation is happening, packaging lines are already running at full speed. If the plant produces plastic bottles, it often starts with PET preforms, small test tube-shaped pieces of plastic. These preforms are heated, stretched, and blow molded into full-size bottles in just a few seconds. The newly formed bottles are then transferred directly to the filling line. If the factory is producing cans, empty cans arrive already formed and are fed into the system through automated conveyors. In both cases, timing is critical, so packaging keeps up with beverage production. Step 8. Rinsing and hygiene, preparing containers for filling. Before any container is filled, it must be cleaned. Bottles are typically rinsed with sterile water or filtered air to remove dust or particles. Cans are also rinsed to ensure they're clean after transport and storage. The filling area itself is one of the cleanest zones in the factory and is often enclosed to reduce contamination risks. Even though Coca-Cola is shelf-stable, hygiene is treated as a science because minor issues at high speed can turn into significant problems. Step 9. High-speed filling. Precision at incredible speed. This is the heart of the operation. The carbonated beverage flows into the filler, where valves dispense an exact amount into each bottle or can as it moves along the line. While it may look simple, filling carbonated drinks is a complex balance of speed and control. The system must work quickly while preventing excessive foam, which could lead to inaccurate fill levels or lost carbonation. These machines operate at astonishing speeds, producing perfectly filled containers in synchronized rows. Sensors monitor everything in real time to detect any irregularities. Step 10. Sealing, locking in freshness. Immediately after filling, containers are sealed to trap carbonation inside. Bottles receive caps that are applied and tightened with precise torque to ensure a secure seal. Cans are sealed using a process called seaming, where the lid is folded and compressed onto the can rim to create a leak-proof lock. This step is closely monitored because even a minor sealing issue can lead to leaks or flat soda. Automated inspection systems check every seal at full production speed. Step 11. Inspection and coding. Machines that never blink. After sealing, bottles and cans pass through multiple inspection points. High-speed cameras check fill levels, cap placement, and container integrity. Date codes and batch information are printed on each unit, allowing full traceability. If any container is underfilled, missealed, or visually flawed, it's automatically removed from the line. This constant inspection is how factories maintain quality while producing enormous volumes. Shipping, from factory floor to store shelves. Finally, finished bottles and cans are grouped into multi-packs, cartons, trays, or shrink-wrapped bundles depending on the market. Automated packers arrange products neatly, and robotic palletizers stack cases into stable patterns. Pallets are wrapped, labeled, and moved to warehouse staging areas before being loaded onto trucks. From there, Coca-Cola is delivered to stores, restaurants, and vending machines around the world. When you see the whole process, what stands out isn't just the scale, but the precision. Every step protects taste, safety, and consistency worldwide. That's how Coca-Cola always tastes familiar. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more unseen innovations.